Yeah, this is day 2. Working on the framing, siding. Not quite the same framing standards as we do back home. They don't have to deal with a snow load. Still, I'm amazed that building them a brand new house, and most of our garages are going to be better than this house, and they're going to be sleeping. I think there's 7 people will be sharing this home, 5 children and 2 adults, if I understood correctly. I could be wrong. It's been known to happen before. Maybe more people than 7. And maybe less. They've filled inside with dirt, and when they're done, they'll pour the slab. So it'll be painted. A couple of bedrooms and a kitchenette and a little living room area. Water and electricity, I guess, are going to be the responsibility of the owners to acquire on their own, which I'm sure won't take much effort to acquire that. Water consists of one pipe and a spigot, and the pipe is already right there on the ground. Electricity is just a couple of thin wires they bring in for a couple of light bulbs, maybe an outlet. They'll probably grab it right there from the neighbor. I think that green wire we're looking at used to go to the house. They'll probably figure out a way to reconnect it.